This conference will now be recorded.
I hope my screen is visible to you now. In a moment, we will start. Yeah. Yeah. So my screen is visible to you. Now we are going to start with our from where we left out, and today we will do it in a faster way because system is fast. Okay. So let me open my class and let me check. Hmm. So where were we and what we have to do? Yeah. So we were on purchase order creation where we have to, yesterday we have prepared this inventory purchase and sales for how you can purchase and sell the non-inventory items. Okay, where the inventory is not maintained, but yes, you have to maintain a purchase order. So other than this, we will go ahead with the purchase order creation via the trade agreement and the purchase agreement. So these are the two types of agreements there. Let me go ahead with one with the purchase agreement. So what actually is purchase agreement? You will go to the procurement and sourcing module for it, and over here there will be a purchase agreement. Where is my purchase agreement? This is the purchase agreement. Let me go to the purchase agreement over here, and obviously I will get various issues now. Okay, so be with me. What I will do, I will remove all the other sets now. Yes. C001 purchase agreement. Let me click on the new button, and it is asking for which vendor you want to create the agreement. I want to create the agreement for Dell International. Is there any contact for Dell International? No. And what is the purchase agreement classification? Is it a blank purchase agreement, employee purchase, or a general purchase? So let's say it is a general purchases. Okay. This is just for the information purpose, nothing else. Then there is a vendor reference if you want to give what is the document title, what is the external document reference. So document title, let's say uh, purchase. External document reference. Let's say external document reference is TA slash 2025 slash 01 slash 10 slash P001. And here we go. We will go ahead with the parent. If there is any linking between the previous purchase agreement, then we can link it from here also. I will go ahead and I will click on the OK button. And over here, my purchase agreement is now created. Okay, so just a minute. Today is 10th 1 2025. Add the line. What is the item number against which you want to create a purchase agreement, that you can define over here. That okay, I'm taking that the Windows server I will purchase 100 quantity. Okay, and the net amount, unit price, the unit price will be, let's say for example, the unit price will be reduced to 95. Okay, and when this agreement is going to be expired, so this will be expired in next 1 week. Okay, save it. Then you have a general tab where the print management is there. Other than this, there is a purchase agreement, so we will go for the confirmation. There's a line details as well. Again, this purchase order, if you want to select anything, the financial dimensions, if you want to select any project, fulfillment, price and discount, anything you want to track. Okay, so discount I will come on it later, because discount I have to tell you in a detail. So, and also I need to do some setups related to discount. Okay, so I will come on it. Now I will save it. I will go for the confirmation of the purchase agreement. So confirm it, and purchase agreement. Now mark agreement as effective. If you want to print the report, let's see if the report is printed or not. It is will be printed on the screen. You can change the destination, use print management destination. Okay, or you can leave it and keep it in the screen level. I'll click on the OK button. It is taking some time. Let it be. First time purchase agreement is getting created, so let's wait for some time and then we will start. Similarly, the purchase agreement, you can also create a sales agreement also. Okay, so over here, this is utilized for the intercompany. है ना? So so the report is now printed. As I told you, the expiration date. This is the purchase agreement confirmation. Okay, and it seems to be good in terms of the details it has. But okay, that's fine. You can then run the report. A confirmation will be created, and after the confirmation is created, you will see a release order option is enabled for you. Okay, and in the related information, you will also find out the purchase agreement confirmation. So against this purchase order, you can create a release order, and this release order is simple. You just click on it where what is the delivery address, what is the display dimensions. You can select over here request receipt date and then click on the create button. It is saying the purchase order, automatic purchase order creation for the vendor has been created. So if you refresh this form, you will now you can go ahead. I was thinking that in the release order lines it anything will be activated, but it is not like that. What you can do, you can go ahead with the accounts payable module, click on the all purchase orders over here, all, or you can go to the procurement and sourcing module, go for the purchase orders, click on the all purchase orders. Both the forms will be same in the module. Now you have one purchase order that is created over here automatically by the system. You can click on it, and once you click on it, you will be able to go inside this particular purchase order for the Dell International. And now if you go with the item number, so let's say there is a Windows Server 2022, again that purchase order, it will come automatically as a 95 USD. Now now one thing I will tell you, just a minute. You will go to the product information management module. On the product information management, you will go to the release products. I will go to the Windows Server and I will go inside it. and I will go to the purchase section, and over there is a purchase price. The purchase price is 100. The selling price is also 110. 10 is a quantity. So how this can be 95? Because when the purchase agreement is created, system will follow, instead of the item definition, what is the item, what is the product, means whatever you have defined over here, system will take care of the system will respect the purchase agreement price. Okay, so this is the benefit of purchase agreement. So let's say, for example, you are purchasing 200 quantity on this one, and then the system will automatically come up over here. Obviously I want to change, I need to pay the taxation. So what I will do, I will go ahead with the taxation. But yes, there is again a problem over here. What is the problem? As I told you, for one serial number it is fine, but for another serial number it will be a problem. Okay, now it is showing registration. Good. How it is showing registration? Because we have changed it to batch serial. And let me check. This is batch serial, but now registration. Acha, registration the purchase level automatically it was coming, so no problem in it. At the sales level, it is a problem. Okay, fine. Now over here, we will go for the, either you do the registration at this level only. Okay, you do the registration at this level only, or you can do it at the receipt level also over here. Okay, there also you can do, but I will do the registration over here only, and I will request you guys also to do the registration, update the serial number, batch number, whatever it is, over here only. Okay, so item tax group, I just want to do the 5% tax. If you want to change the tax group, you need to create another tax section. Okay, so I will check it. I will go for the purchase, I will go for the totals, and I will see that 19,000 is the price and 950 is the tax which I have to pay. Click on the OK. Once you click on the OK button, you will go to the purchase. You will go for the confirmation of this purchase order. Operation is completed. Purchase order confirmation is coming over here. Then what you can do, you can go ahead and you can receive it. So go to the receipt list. Acha, registration is left now. No. So wait. I left it intentionally. See, on the receipt list over here, there is an update line. Same registration. Cancel it. Update line. Registration. Simple. Okay. Now add it. Okay. See this ordered one. Okay. Focus on this registration status. Create the serial number. Uh, Let me create the, instead what I will do, I will add the batch number over here only. 1 minute. Yeah. So you are about to delete a record? Yes, I want to delete a record. Here only I will give the batch number, serial number if I am allowed to do. Create the serial number over here only, and format the serial number. The serial number format is SR hyphen 2025, then Jan, then Jan, and then hash. Okay. Now over here, system will create this one. Just a minute. Over here, see, the serial number are created. Okay, multiple serial numbers from 200 to this one automatically gets created. Okay, and add the registration line. If I go for the add the registration line, system will create. Okay, if I need to, because there are 200 lines, so. But the problem over here, what I'm seeing is batch number is not automatically coming up. Okay, so I don't want to add 200 batch number manually. Okay, so let me check if there is any other way out on it. Yeah. So see, the batch number is not coming, so that means I need to go ahead with 200 batches. No, I don't want to do that one. What I will do, I will select all and then I will go for the remove option. And I will try to add the batch number if possible and check if the batch number, all the batch number I can maintain at the outside level. Just a minute. So these are the few scenarios, okay, where you need to identify that means there are 200 batches, then it is not recommended, right, to add 200 times batch number one by one. If it is 4 or 5 items, then it's fine. Okay, so let me go back and over here, what I will do, I will go for the product and I will add batch number over here because batch number is common. And if it is one item, you can update the serial number like this over here. But there are 200 items, so I will not recommend to do it from here. Instead, I will go for the update line after adding the batch number over here because batch is a common. Okay, for 100 items, there will be one batch like that. It works. Okay. Hmm. So update the registration process now. So B1 automatically is taken from the front end. Add the registration line. Okay. Select all. Add the registration line. So I hope you are getting now what can be your work. Okay. What work will you will do when you will go for the for using this application. Okay. Or when you are working as a functional consultant over there. Okay. So this is the one. Now batch is coming. Serial number warehouse. I am fine with it. Now what I need to do. Okay. There is one more problem. Kya? Let's confirm the registration. Let us wait for the confirm registration and check the receipt status now. Okay. Have you checked that how the ordered quantity is now registered? You will go for the save button. You will go. This option is only required when your item is a serialized item. Other than this, if this particular option is not required, you can directly go for the purchase option. You can confirm the purchase order, and then you can do the directly a receipt and go ahead with the invoicing. One more thing I will tell you now. One more concept over here I will introduce. Just wait a second. Firstly, let me do the receipt list. What is the document date? So the document date is of today. What are the payment terms? I need to pay him in 7 days. Okay. And the ordered quantity is fine. Everything is over here. Vendor expiry date, vendor batch date. If you want to add, I don't want to add it right away. I will click on the OK button and my receipt list will be completed. Receipt list completed. Go for the product receipt. So ordered quantity 200 to give the product receipt, copy the purchase order and over here type PR hyphen control V. So over here this is done. Document date, payment terms, 7 days and click on the OK button. Again update line is feature is still available on the product receipt. Okay, so finally also you can do the product receipt. Hmm. So now the product receipt is also completed. You can go ahead with the invoicing part. Although I have to tell you that, let's say for example, you order 200 quantity, but right now the vendor is saying that I don't have that much quantity, and I just want to I'm just sending you right now 50 quantities only. Then in that case, you can make 50 different receipts also. Okay, and in that case, your receive now quantity will be updated. Okay, receive now, received now. So those two fields will be updated over here. Okay, now in that case, I will tell you how you can do. You can go ahead with the invoicing part, and over here, let's say for example, you are working on it. So 200 quantity, update the match status. It is passed now, and then you can go ahead with the totals check. Totals is coming 1950, then it's fine. Go ahead with the PI slash control V, and then copy paste it over here. What is the invoicing date? Invoicing date is of today, and then you will click on the post button. Simple. So this is your purchase agreement to purchase order process. Okay. Simply, I will one more thing I will tell you is the trade agreement. I hope you have noted down this particular process, and you can explain it to your interviewer and also to your users. Okay. So now the invoice is completed, and you can see that the liability is created on the accounts payable level under the all vendors. So if you go to this particular vendor, you will see that the transaction will be created, and the transaction will be 1950, and the balance is showing as minus 1950. That you have to give it to, means once you uh, release a payment for it, okay, then this particular invoice will be g- gone. Okay, so you can click on the vendor payment now, go to the lines, and over here go to the accounts payable. Then you can go ahead with the Tel International. Then you can go ahead with the validate option, or no, sorry, settle transaction option. And under the settle transaction, you click on the mark button, click on the OK button, and then you will go ahead with the from where you are paying it. I want to pay it from a banking level, so let's go for the banking level. Save it. Let us go with the validate option, validate voucher only, or whatever you want to do. Then finally you can go ahead with your manager approval. Report is ready, approve, and then click on the posting. I hope things are clear to you. 1919, 19950, and fine with it. Okay, I am fine with it. That okay, things are getting cleared now. Okay, so any problem in it? I don't think so. If you go to the all vendors now, you can see that the transaction is now happening. 1950 payment to customer. Okay, so everything is linked, and you have a net balance of zero values. So this will help you out in the process. Other than this, there is a trade agreement also. So trade agreement is also utilized for the purpose of pricing only. You need to go to the product information management, go to the release products. And let's say, for example, you purchase the Windows server, and now there is a warranty. Okay, so what warranty suggests that, okay, if If you go ahead with the where is the trade agreement purchase? So trade agreement, okay. So trade agreement, and in the sales also there is a trade agreement. So either for the purchase or the sale, both are same. Okay. So let's say for example, if you purchase you are creating a trade agreement over here. You need to understand that okay, there is a name required. So what you need to do, you need to go to the view details and update the name. Name is, let's say for example, uh, purchase, okay, and give the name as purchase trade agreement. And over here, let's go to the trade agreement journals. Okay, so let me save it now, and let's go back and utilize the name now. So purchase trade agreement, I have given the name. Then you need to go to the lines. Over here, you will see that you can set the pricing of a particular item. Okay, so let's say for example, this is specifically created for the warranty item only. Okay, as what you can do, you can also choose the group, means for the specific group only. For a specific item relation, means the group is not coming right now. Okay, I will take it later, है ना? So table, I will go for the table wise only, and I will save it. If you select the group, what will happen over here, all the groups will come. Okay, and then you can set the pricing for the group. But normally it doesn't happen like this. You go ahead with the selection process uh, of your one particular item. Okay, so for the item, you have your different configurations as well. Means if for the Coke bottle we have a variant. Okay, so those variants you can define over here for which site and which warehouse. Let's say site 1 and warehouse 2, if you are purchasing, and from which quantity to which quantity. So let's say for example, if you are purchasing a warranty of 5 quantity to 10 quantity, okay, at this time the amount will change to normally the amount is, let's say 10, so amount will be 8. Okay, 8 USD. So this is the benefit of it. Okay, now you will go for the save button. You can give the details also. So it is only applicable from 10 to 15 January. Okay, this is a new year price. Okay, then what you can do, you can simply click on the post button. So the trade agreement is now posted, and you can go back and view the trade agreement from here. So over here there is a trade agreement which is saying that okay, if 1 to if 10 January to 15 January quantity is 5 to 10, then it is 8. Okay, but if you will normally sell it, it is a purchase price of 50. Okay, let me show you. Go back. Over here, if I go to the purchase order accounts payable, purchase orders, all purchase orders, yes, purchase order ही बनाना पड़ेगा. हाँ, go for the purchase order. Now let us go to the new button. Let us go for the Dell International and go for the okay. Now let's go to the item number. Item number is warranty for Windows. One quantity, 50 price. है ना? And our trade agreement suggests if I increase the price, increase the quantity from 5 to 10. So what I will do, I will make it 4 right now. Any change happened? No. Let's go for the 5. Any change happened? No. Let's go for 1, increase 1 more. Any change happened? Okay, nothing happened. That's strange. Let's remove it once. add the line number, warranty, 5 prices coming up. Then I will go ahead with the 8 quantity. Let's see the price is getting changed. No, price is not getting changed. What is the reason for it? Let me check. Purchase price is there. Then from quantity to 2 quantity. Date is also inclusive. Find next for fixed amount. Okay, price unit is amount in transaction currency. There is something I'm missing over here. Just a minute. USD purchase order type is all. Why system is not taking? Click on that. The line. Let me select the. Hmm, let me add the line to 10. Unit price is not getting updated. What can be the possible reason? Let me check on it. Create a package. No, 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 no. If I might need to update my purchase price. Okay, so what I will do, I will update my purchase price over here to 0 and I will save it now. And I will create add a line and over here I will select the warranty as 01 and 1 quantity, no price. If I select the 6 quantity, there is no price. Okay. But normally what happens in this case, the trade agreement, view the trade agreement. Let me check on the trade agreement. Purchase pricing is okay. Oof, what is the problem over here? It is a non-inventory item, serial number, that is fine. Let me check what is there on this particular line. Serial number and then site and warehouse, C4, non-inventory item. Okay. There should be some. One second. View the trade agreement. Let me go for the edit the selected lines. Edit the selected line in a new journal. Okay, let me go for the OK button. You can update the trade agreement also. Okay. So let me check why it is not showing. Just a minute. Into the generic currency. Date is perfect. Let's say it is. I will increase the date to 1st of January. What it is showing? One second. Changed. Okay. This is showing the changes. Table, warranty. If I'm purchasing 5 200 quantity, the purchase will come up with a 8. Other than this, I don't think any display validation. And over here, trade agreement validation. That is fine. And over here, adjustment, validate, validate all the lines. Click on the OK button. It is now. Let's go for the post button. Okay, the site is S1 and W2. Let me check what is the site and W2 over here. Is it same? Yes, this is same. The posted. Now we will go. We will add the line. Same item I will add. Warranty. 1 quantity. That's fine. 5 quantity. No change. Oh, increase the 7 quantity. No change. 350 it is coming up. Normally what happens, the unit price is getting changed over here. What I will do, I will create a trade agreement for a inventory item also and see if there is a thing like that, something like that. It should not be like that, but let me check. Okay, 1 minute. Purchase agreement, create the trade agreement, give the name, purchase price, default relation is with the purchase price only, yes, and then go to the lines, all quantity table, item relation. Then we will go ahead with the Windows server. And over here, I will again select. This time I'm not giving site for all the site and warehouses. I will connect it. Okay, and from quantities 5 to 5 to 10, the price will be reduced to $5 only. Okay, and then this is effective from 1st of January to tomorrow only. Okay, now I will save it and I will go for the post button. Now it is posted. What I will do, I will go ahead, I will add the line, and over here I will add the Windows Server, and then one quantity. Okay, fine. 10 quantity. It is not changing. Let me check on it. Okay, and I will come back. Normally, what happens during the trade agreement, whatever the trades you have created, according to the trade agreement, system will start taking up the price from here. Okay. So this is the use of the purchase agreement. I hope it is clear, but yes, no problem. I will show you in a practical example tomorrow. Okay. So now trade agreement is done. Not done means I will come back on it. Okay. Now coming to the discounting, how you will get a discount. So discount means whenever you are giving a discount, the price of the purchase will get reduced. Okay. So in that case, what you need to do, you will have to go ahead with the discounting section. So that discount also you can maintain in your purchase order, in your where you can maintain. Go to the order, go to the purchase. This is the multi-line discount. This is a total discount. So let's say for example, I'm going ahead with the total discount in the purchase order. So there is a discount field actually over here, and let's say for example, if you are purchasing it over here, so I will give 2% as a discount on it. So price will be reduced over here simply, है ना? So what I will do, I will remove first all the lines now. I will add two things over here. One is my item number, Windows Server, okay, and one quantity I'm purchasing for 100 USD. I will try once, 5 quantity, no change. And over here, if I go for the 8 quantity, no change. Okay, fine, 800. Okay, then go for the add the line, and on the add the line, I will purchase the warranty for this particular one. Okay, one item, 50 quantity. Overall, it is 850. And if I go to the save button, I will find out that okay, I need to warranty is without serial number, batch number, or let me check over here, over here also. Warranty is coming with the with serial number, sales serial number. Okay, and Windows Server is coming up with a uh, Windows Server is coming up with a batch serial number. Okay, that means I have to add it. Okay, so what I will do, I will go select this particular line and go to the product form over here. I will add the batch number, and it is 8 quantity, so obviously I need to update the registration from here. So I will go ahead and check the registration, and batch is there. Create the serial number. So serial number code is uh, SR hyphen Jan slash hash hash hash. Why I am telling you this thing? Okay, means serial number. If you check your system serial number, computer serial number, everything comes like this. And instead of adding one by one, you can make it hash and whatever the prefix is there. Okay, system will automatically add these things for you. Okay, then what you need to do, select all, add the registration line. Okay, so it is done, save, and then confirm the registration. Once you confirm the registration, it will be registered. Go back. Once this is registered, what you can do, you can go ahead with the warranty, serial number, and this is not required over here. So that's fine. But now the total price is okay, tax. Now let me check the tax. Tax is not there. So let me add the taxation also, because without tax nothing can work, right? So let us go for the tax now. Setup. Get it a 5% of tax. Click on the tax. Over here, percent of tax 2.5. 5% 2.5 is the tax receivable. You will receive the tax on this particular item. Okay, but what I want to do is I want to go ahead with the purchase order and check the totals. Totals is 850, tax is 250 because I have only applied the tax on this level. I have not applied the tax on this level. Okay, so let me apply the tax over this level also. Click on the totals now. The tax will be 850, 42.50 is the net tax on both the lines. Okay, purchase again, go for the taxation. Okay, so it is showing the taxation for both the lines. I hope things are clear to you from till here, no problem in it. But now what I want to do, I want to discount it. Okay, I want to, let's say I want to discount 15% is a net discount what I can. Go ahead, I will save it. Now as I save it, you will see that there is a tax document. Okay, I will go to the purchase order, I will go for the totals. So this is the total. Discount is 127. Net you have to pay is 758.63. I will click on the OK button. Now I will go to the product level again. There's a pricing and discount section. Now against a one line, okay, this is a total discount 15%. Okay, and against that one also you are giving on this Windows server, there is a discount of 5% additional discount you are providing. Okay, the discount it is a discount value and it is a discount percentage. So 5% overall I am giving to the discount. Multi-line discount and a multi-line discount percentage means the discount will be applicable on multiple lines, but now I will go ahead with the totals first. One is 15% overall and second one is the overall, so 121 722.58. Earlier it was 758. Okay, so either you give the whole discount over here only, or by the line wise if you want to use the discount, then you can go ahead with the discount of, let's say, 2% discount over here also. So you can go ahead with the totals now and check that, okay, what is the total discount. It is now reduced to 72.03. Okay, you might see that there is no much changes, but if I go for the 20% of the change, you will see a slight difference here because it is hardly 50 quantity, right? So 715 is the whole overall purchase quantity. Okay, so I will delete it now right away over here, show you the totals now. So the total is now 722 you have to pay. But now let's say for example multi-line discount on all the discount, there is an additional discount we are giving. Let's say for example 25% is the overall discount I want to give. I will check the totals. So you will see it is 722.93. No changes happened. Why? Multi-line discount. One second. Let me save it once. Go for the totals. 792.93. Discount is, total discount is 121. Let me remove this discount first. Save it. Go for the totals now. 5% is the total discount. It is not taking up. Just a minute. Over here. Over here. 25%. Click on the totals. No discount is coming up. Why multi-line discount percentage is not working? Let me, that also I need to check. Yeah, I have not used it because normally the discount is given over here only. Okay, let's say for example this is 20% discount available to me. I will go for the totals now. So total is 170 is the discount. Other than this, I have also used this particular feature 5, and then I will utilize this also 5, and 5 is the total discount. So net discount will come out to be more than the 680 is the net total discount. Okay, now what will happen? I will come back with you on this particular part how the multi-line discount works, and then I will tell you. Okay, so let's say for example there is a discount of 50% on warranty also. Now save it, go for the totals and check that it is 157,659.40 you have to pay now. Okay, so that's all, and now the problem will arise from here. I will confirm it. There is actually a discount calculation. Okay, there should be some discount main account that needs to be defined. Okay, that I have not defined, so I will get an error. Confirm the registration, everything is done over here. Once again we will check that the Windows Server registration is completed. That's fine. We will select the second line. I don't think it is required. Registration. One quantity. See, wherever the serial number is not applicable, it will not show also. You can simply, still you can register it if you want. That's fine. Save it. Close it. Go right now. I'm not going for the directly receipt list. Instead, I'm going for the product receipt. Product receipt. Copy the purchase order. This is a simple way. Okay, nothing else. Your user can utilize any other thing also. PR hyphen control V. But yes, this should be unique. Okay, so that's why. And then let's go ahead with the 30-day of payment cycle also. Click on the OK button. Okay. So now the operation is completed, product receipt is done. We will go for the invoicing now, and we should get an error from here. So let us go for the match update status. Match update status is done. We will go for the totals. Check the totals. Discount is getting hit or not. Total discount 157. Over here also you can change the discount. Okay, you can give the discount from here also. Close it. Go for the post button. I don't want to change it right now. So that the invoice number must be specified. INV hyphen control V control V. Go for the post button. Okay, so now account number for transaction time vendor invoice account does not exist. See, this is the error. So how you will release it, remove it? Simply system is asking you that define a discount amount for me. Simple. For this, you have a general ledger module where there is a concept of posting accounts for automatic posting. Over this form, you will create a default types, and over here there is a vendor invoice discount or vendor cash discount is there. Okay. So what I will do I will go ahead and I will go for the view details and create a discount. Okay. So whenever discount is treated as a liability. Okay. So I will go ahead and I will go ahead with the 2010 2011 at the time of liability. This is a vendor discount. Okay, and it will be treated as a liability. And other expenses. Okay, same is similar. Save it. uh, must have 6-digit code. It is 5-digit code. I will add one more zero and I will add it over. Save it. Go back. Vendor cash discount. Vendor cash discount. Where is my vendor cash discount? Vendor discount. Save it. So it is asking transaction vendor invoice discount. This is vendor cash discount. So let's see if it is allowed or not. I will close this, and go for the pending invoices. You need not to create another invoice. Okay, you can use it in that one. If there is any error, system will go for the pending invoices. Okay, match status again and go for the post button. If there is any error, system will show it over here only. Over here, account number for transaction type vendor invoice discount does not exist. Okay, that means I need to define the vendor invoice discount. Other than this, there are so many options. So vendor invoice discount, and I will give the same account number. Control V, save it. Okay, let's go for the pending vendor invoices again. Close it, edit it, go ahead with the update match status, and go for the post button. There are various things here like this, है ना? Within the system to reach the purchase order, purchase agreement I have shown you. There is a request for quotation, and then there is a purchase requisition. Similarly, sales order. These all the blogs you will get. Okay, I will request to search now. Okay, and if there is anything coming up, do let me know. It is asking that the business unit, uh, you must uh, select a value in the business unit where the dimension is missing. Yeah, let me check. Financial dimensions, line details, financial dimensions. It is there. Financial dimensions for this line is also there. Main account 20011. Okay. On the discount level, we have not defined the dimensions. It is asking like this. Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead. Let me check the financial dimensions over here. This is also there. So it is asking beyond the business unit account structure code. Now, there is one problem here, है ना? Like this we will get. Okay, so each time there is there is a possibility that some accounts you want to skip also. Okay, you don't want to enter the financial term because discount is a global discount. You want to exclude this particular one. Okay, so what you can do? You can go ahead with the general ledger module. You can go ahead with a configure account structure. You can go ahead with a cook. You can edit it. You can go ahead with the add the line, and over here you can give the main account 2000011. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to allow blank value over here. Okay, here also I want to allow the blank value, and here also I want to allow the blank value. Now what I will do, I will activate it, and normally if there is a chance that okay you don't want to, your system doesn't overlaps. Okay, so in that case star it is overlapping with everything. Okay, so what you can do from here is you can give like this, that 1000 6 times 0 dot dot 2, let's say for example, 2 4 times 0, 3 times 0 1 0. It is like this. Okay, so we will come out, and now we will validate it. It is done. Okay, now one more we have to add, right? We have to add like this, add, because 2011, 2 double triple 0 1 2 dot dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 triple 9. Okay, this is allowed. Okay, so only this account is allowed for manual entry. Allow blank value is there. Okay, I will activate it. Other than this, let's say for example, if your user doesn't want to add like this, okay, don't want to skip the financial dimension or discount level also, then you can update the financial dimensions over, I believe in that case where you can define the discount, you can define over uh discounting. I need to check on that part then. Okay, and then I will come back on it. The discount part means because other than the discounting, default dimensions for discount also we can take care, but normally it will be discount is unique, so it is not allowed, and in that case this is the workaround for it. Okay, so but yeah, I will check if in the system if there is anything like that, I will come back on it. Okay, so now this is activating. Let me check if it is activated or not. Active now. Okay, what you can do now, you can go ahead with your payable, go for the all purchase orders, and go for this purchase order pending invoices. Don't create a new invoice. Okay, because invoice is automatically created. Update match status post. So from tomorrow we will start with the fixed asset module now. Okay. uh, After the purchase requisition and request for quotation also, but the process is very similar. Okay, so this is now posted when the invoice is completed. So this is the workaround for those skip level accounts. Okay, so that is usable for you. You can now utilize the feature of these things. Okay, so a payable will be created against the vendor. All vendors, see the purchase order, transactions. If you go to the transactions, a balance of 659.49 is there. If you go to the general ledger module, you will see that on the trial balance level, inquiries and report trial balance. On the trial balance, calculate the balances. Huh. So over here, you will see that there is a membership cost 120.25. It is, let's go ahead and change it to December. Everything I want in this financial year. I need to show you the closing also. So that also I will show you. Just a minute. Hmm. Okay, so the date is completed. अरे यार ये डेट तो चेंज हुई नहीं. Need to change the date. Parameters. Date. December. 31st December. Calculate the balances. Dates are coming, and 2011. This is strange. Okay, so right now the invoicing is not done, so that's why it is showing over here. Okay, once the posting is completed for the payment section, system will show the payment option also over here. Okay, so that's all from today, and we will go ahead with the tomorrow class on not tomorrow, on Monday now. Purchase acquisition is left, and purchase and request for quotation RFQ is left. Okay, so these two parts, and then we will move on to our next module, which is a fixed asset module. Okay, so let me note it down so that we will not forget on it. And insert draw. Let me show the drawing. What is left? PR, purchase requisition. What is left? RFQ, request for quotation. Then movement to fixed asset module. Okay, so these are the three topics we will try to cover in the next week. And after the FA module, we will go with the budgeting module. Then small modules are there. Few modules I will left for you. And but the major part I will show you the closing of financial year. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for this week for joining the session, and I hope the next 2 days you will practice and create as many purchase orders as you want, as many sales orders as you want, and learn all the techniques, all the postings, okay, which will be asked in your interview question. Okay, so thanks a lot guys. Bye bye.